Bacteria are present everywhere on Earth, in its coldest regions, in the saline oceans, and in the stratosphere where they survive the harsh UV radiations. And then there are bacteria living in our bodies too. There are more bacteria living in us than the number of cells we have. What makes them so strong and versatile to survive so many different conditions?
The answer lies in the bacterial cell wall. The cell wall of a bacterium is like a coat made by the bacterium around itself. It protects the bacterial cell wall from its environment and predators. In fact, damaged cell wall can kill the bacterium. So, scientists want to understand the details of how cell walls are formed and maintained in bacteria. They have found bacteria use specialized stitcher proteins to stitch together smaller pieces of cell wall material together. But just like us, a bacterium also grows in size during its lifetime. How does the bacterial cell wall expand to fit a cell growing in size? Dr. Manjula Reddy and her team at the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology have been studying proteins in bacteria to find these answers. They found another class of specialized enzymes in bacteria, the cutter proteins. These cut the existing cell wall, allowing new material to be added and stitched in the growing cell wall. Without these functioning cutters, the cell wall does not expand, and a growing bacterium within a small cell wall eventually bursts under its own pressure and die. Not only during growth, the cutter and stitcher proteins help bacteria in their everyday survival also. Bacteria constantly face physical and chemical attacks from their environment, like heat, cold, radiation, or salt and detergents tearing their cell wall. But the cutter and stitcher proteins work together to maintain a robust cell wall under these different conditions. We still do not know how exactly these proteins do their job, and scientists are trying to solve these mysteries.
But why is it important to know how these proteins work in bacteria?
One of the reasons is that bacteria cause many diseases in all life forms, including us, the humans. And we have been devising different strategies to protect ourselves from these diseases. We use drugs called antibiotics to kill the disease-causing bacteria. By targeting the stitcher proteins, many of them, such as penicillin, kill bacteria-caused punctured cell walls. But with indiscriminate use of antibiotics, bacteria have evolved to escape these antibiotics. In the last few decades, we have found an increasing number of bacteria that are resistant towards most of the antibiotics in use. The antibiotics either fail to kill these resistant bacteria or are required in high doses or in new combinations. This has made treatment of common infectious bacterial diseases like tuberculosis even longer, more difficult, and expensive. So, we are fervently in search for newer antibiotic targets, and the cutter proteins discovered by Dr. Reddy are novel targets for developing new antibiotics. These new antibiotics can be potentially used against the resistant bacteria. Countries like ours with many infectious diseases need many more antibiotic targets. So, we need more scientists to work on understanding bacteria and thus help in keeping our nation healthy and disease-free. Will you be one of them?